What I love about virtual wholesaling is I can sit here on my farm in Tennessee and do deals remotely without ever seeing the properties in person. But in order to virtually wholesale and do it successfully, you still need people that are local to the deals that can go quickly to the properties and take pictures and videos, get bids on repairs, and if vacant, install a lockbox and key. And I call this boots on the ground. So on this video, I'm going to show you the cheapest, fastest, and most underrated ways to find and hire boots on the ground for your virtual deals, even if the property is on the other side of the country. All of that and more coming up. If you're new here, I'm Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses. And here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Now I live in East Tennessee on a farm and I do most of my real estate deals remotely or virtually in other states. And even the deals that I do locally, I still treat them as if I'm not here. And this is an important lesson to understand. The only way to grow and build your wholesaling and flipping businesses is to improve your processes and systems and build a team. It doesn't need to be a big team, but having key people in place to do specific things allows you to focus on high-level activities like finding your next deal. And here's the thing, going out to look at properties is a lower-level activity and not a good use of your time. Not when you can get someone else to do it for you, and that's the nice thing about virtual wholesaling, is it forces you to not go to properties because you're not there locally. Now, I started real estate over 20 years ago in Detroit, Michigan. At the time, all my deals were local, and I personally went to every single property. But then in 2013, I took my family on a one-year cross-country RV trip. Since I wasn't there in person anymore, it forced me to learn how to run the businesses virtually. I've since expanded and now do deals virtually all over the country. In fact, I have systems and capital in place, and I'm currently looking for more deals for my fix and flip business. If you'd like to be a finder for me, I'll pay you $10,000 for every good deal that you bring me that meets my criteria. Now, to register for a free training to learn all about how to be a finder for me, just go to my10kcheck.com. Now, after the RV trip, we continued to travel and move a lot, including living in Puerto Rico for 4 years, all the while running my businesses virtually, which I think is pretty cool. But it's only possible if you can find and hire boots on the ground. So let me share 3 primary tasks that you need boots on the ground for, and then share some valuable resources. The first and most important thing that you need boots on the ground for is to go to the property and do a site visit. Now, once I contract a deal with a seller, I need to get eyes on the property. There are 3 primary objectives for doing a site visit. One is to get a feel for the neighborhood. Some markets change drastically from street to street. I want to make sure that I know the condition of the homes all around the subject property. Now, this is easy enough. Your boots on the ground can stand on the sidewalk in front of the subject property and do a very slow 360-degree turn with a smartphone so that you can see the neighbors to the left and right and up and down the street. The second objective of the site visit is to do a video walkthrough to understand the layout and floor plan. A bad floor plan is a deal killer. For example, a tiny kitchen, low ceiling height, no laundry room, or weird additions. I recently had what I thought was a great deal, and then during the walkthrough, we discovered that you had to walk through bedroom 1 to get to bedroom 2, and the stairs that go upstairs to the second floor, bedroom 3, were in bedroom 2. It was one of the most whacked floor plans I'd ever seen. Whereas on another deal during a walkthrough, I discovered that it had a master bath that wasn't previously disclosed that added value to the floor plan. Now, the way I instruct my boots on the ground is to do a video tour of the property. Start at the front door, walk in slowly, pan left to right and up and down, then move from the living room to the kitchen and the kitchen down the hall, etc. Now, I need to be able to virtually walk the property so that I can see and understand the layout from a video. And the third objective is actually accomplished during the floor plan video, and that's the property condition. I need to understand the condition of the property so that I can properly budget the cost of repairs. Now, I want my boots on the ground to take pictures and video of everything, including the roof if possible, the attic or crawl space, the mechanicals, etc. Now, I created a virtual property walkthrough guide with step-by-step instructions for how to do a site visit and a walkthrough, and exactly how to take the video and pictures. And that's included in my free virtual flipper kit. Just go to virtualflipperkit.com to get that download. And it also includes everything you need to do your first or next virtual wholesale deal in the next 30 days. And I'll give it to you for free. Like I said, just go to virtualflipperkit.com to download it now. Just give that walkthrough guide to your boots on the ground so that he knows exactly what you want him to do. Real quick, then we'll get back to the video. Now, if you're a nationwide virtual wholesaler, then you need to check out the hottest and most affordable new lead service offered by propwire.com. It's called Warm Lead Accelerator, or WCL for short. In a nutshell, you get 10 warm leads delivered every day, Monday through Friday, to your inbox. That's about 200 warm leads a month. Now, these are sellers that have recently been cold called by PropWire's overseas call centers and have expressed an interest in a cash offer. These leads are exclusive to you, and here's the best part. These leads only cost $2.49 per lead. You can't find a better price like that anywhere. Now, this offer is for a limited time, so don't wait. Go to warmleadsdaily.com to get signed up and learn more. Now, back to the video. Now, the second task you might need boots on the ground for is to install a lockbox so that you can get easy access to the property for contractors or for your cash buyers. Now, when a property is vacant, I add to my contract with the seller in writing the following: seller to give buyer unrestricted access to property via a contractor lockbox. Then I spend about $25 to get a lockbox, and I have someone go and install that on the front door and put the key in that lockbox and give you the code. Now, you may need to have your guy on the ground and the seller coordinate getting the key. Now, I usually have the same boots on the ground guy that's doing the site visit also handle the lockbox. Okay, the third task that you might need boots on the ground to do for you is to get more details on the property condition and even a quick repair estimate. Now, this is especially important when doing what I call a takedown deal. A takedown deal is where you fund and purchase the property just to quickly resell it on the open market. Now, in that scenario, you may want to bid for mowing and trimming the yard, doing cleanup, a full gut out or haul away debris, or even handyman services for minor repairs. Okay, now let me share 4 important tips when hiring boots on the ground, and then we'll talk about how to find them. First is the most important. Don't pay for a property site visit until you first have a fully executed contract in place with the seller. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of time and money. Do the very best you can with the limited information provided to you by the seller. Get a contract, and then hire your boots on the ground to do the site visit and verify what the seller has already explained to you. Assuming you do the site visit, tip number 2 is to have your boots on the ground send you everything using a file sharing link such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Do not let them text or email you attachments. If they don't know how to use Google Drive or Dropbox, hire someone else. Tip number 3, don't pay until you get the file and you're satisfied that they followed the instructions in the walkthrough guide. Now, if they didn't, make them do it again. And tip number 4, pay them with a service like Venmo. If you don't have Venmo, download the app. If they don't have Venmo, hire someone else. Now, there are several different ways to find boots on the ground, but plan on spending about $75 on average. That's about what a local handyman will charge for an hour or 2 of work, and that's where Thumbtack and investor boots come in. Thumbtack is one of the most slept on tools in real estate. It's basically an app full of local service providers, handyman contractors, cleaners, locksmiths, and they are in every market across the country. Here's how it works. Step 1, search Thumbtack for local handyman. Pull up 3 or 4 local handyman near the property address. Now, you're not looking for licensed contractors and you're not looking for inspectors either. You just need someone who can follow directions, take pictures and video, and knows what a house is supposed to look like. Step 2 is to call them directly. Don't message, call them. Here's exactly what you say. Hey, I'm an investor. I need a quick repair quote plus pictures and a few short videos inside the property so that I can see what's going on. I'll pay you $75 for your time. It should only take you about 30 minutes. Okay, step 3, if it's vacant, offer another $25 to add a lockbox and meet the seller to get the key and coordinate access. Step 4, once you hire your guy, ship them a lockbox from Amazon to put on the door while they're there. Now you've got full access for buyers and contractors moving forward. Next, let's talk about another service called Investor Boots. Investor Boots is basically Thumbtack, but done for you. They'll charge around $180 for photos and video, which is well worth it because it's hassle-free. You click a button, they dispatch someone, and you get a full set of media back, usually the next day. Now, if you're one of my subscribers, Investor Boots is offering 40% off your first order. I'll put the coupon link in the description below for you. So what's the difference between Thumbtack and Investor Boots? Investor Boots is more expensive, but it's easy, fast, and automated. You don't need to vet or build a relationship with the contractor, and they are great for urgent deals or rural markets where it might be hard to find someone. Thumbtack is cheaper, but you have to control who you hire, you have to build the relationships, and you have to train them on what you want. It's basically a lot more work to save $100. And in case you decide to do a virtual fix and flip, let me share with you a very effective strategy that I use to manage the rehab remotely. As soon as I acquire the property, I find and hire the real estate agent who's going to do the relist for me after the rehab. And I get them to oversee and manage the rehab as a condition of getting the relist. For example, I just finished a rehab on a virtual fix and flip where I hired the relist agent to manage the entire rehab for me, and he was amazing. He got bids, he hired contractors, he made sure they did good work and that they showed up on time, and he did the entire rehab in about 2 weeks. He found ways to save me money, and he gave me daily updates, and he agreed to manage the entire rehab for like $1,000 management fee if I let him have the relist after the rehab was completed. He did so good that he's now my go-to GC and agent for future flips in that market. Now, I call these types of agents investor-friendly agents, and the way to find them is to look for other flippers in the area and then research which agents they're using. The agent for my deal has overseen hundreds of rehabs for other investors over the years, so he's really well connected with contractors and how to do cost-effective rehabbing. Now, if you think that's brilliant, leave a comment and say, Jerry, you are a flipping genius. You know, at the end of the day, you have to get good at finding and managing people long distance. I teach my boots on the ground to over-communicate. Check in daily, explain what's going on, return and report constantly. The squeaky wheel gets the grease, so make a lot of noise. Just remember, people don't respect what you don't inspect. Now, don't forget to download my free virtual wholesaling guide, which shows you everything you need to start wholesaling 3 to 5 deals a month from home. Go to virtualflipperkit.com to get that. And finally, watch this next video where I break down how to get a signed contract on the phone without meeting the seller. Watch that video now, and I'll see you on the next video.